From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on.
Do you, Joseph, take this woman to be your lawful wedded wife, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and woe, for richer or poorer, keeping yourself for her as long as you both do live?
I do.
Do you, Navanna, take this man to be your lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and woe, for richer or poorer, keeping yourself for him as long as you both do live?
I do.
I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. Can't wait to
Put up, I'd like to say something like 5 lines.
Oh, put on.
Took that long, huh? Took that long, huh? 13 years too long? Getting rid of the dust.
Joseph Angel Morales, I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, and the couple we will be together. With my whole heart, I take you as my husband, acknowledging all your strengths and accepting all your flaws as you do mine. I promise to be faithful and supportive and to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I will be yours always, in sickness and in health, in failure and in success. I want to dream with you, celebrate with you, and walk with you through whatever our journey may bring. You are my person, my life, my love, my guide, today and always.
You're still the one I kiss goodnight, and you're the reason I believe in love.
Navanna Lynn, everything I give you turns out to be great. I gave you a house, you turned it into a home. I gave you an idea, you turned it into reality. I gave you my nut, and you turned it into 3 beautiful kids that we have. I love you so much. I love you.
By the authority invested in me by the state of Hawaii, I pronounce you husband and wife.
Can I kiss the bride? Oh, yes, come here, baby.
Look how far we've come, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you this day Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Morales.
From this moment.
I was lost, you found a way to bring me back. Needed forgiveness, you always gave me that. Girl, I'm a witness.
It's an incredible honor to stand here tonight and to celebrate the beautiful and long-awaited union of Joseph and Navanna. I have had the amazing privilege of being the sister to someone as thoughtful, ambitious, and encouraging as Navanna. And tonight, I have the equally amazing privilege of officially welcoming Joseph into our family.
I am proud to say today that my sister-in-law and my brother, my blood brother, had tied that knot and put it together for once and for all. I appreciate everything that you guys have come here for. I appreciate that everyone that came here and support our family for. My brother and my sister-in-law will always be one together, and they'll always be strong.
Navanna, thank you. Thank you for taking care of my cousin, for being his rock. And I pray and I thank the Lord for blessing you both. And I pray that He continues to guide you, to protect you, and to encourage you to be the loving parents and partners to each other that you deserve to be. And Joseph, remember, Grandma is always watching because I failed her. And congratulations to both of you.
I just want to say, as a mom and having to move away and leaving my daughter was the hardest thing, but it made it so much easier knowing she was being taken care of. Because I can go anywhere in the world and know that my daughter, my grandkids are well taken care of because of this man. We love you guys. We might be far away, but we always have you in our heart. We are always thinking about you guys. We love you.
And you do, and he knew. Thank God for giving me you.